Have you ever tried to hit that 10,000 step mark and you're glued to your desk all day and you try to get out, but the weather's not right when you're ready? So I have the perfect solution. It's something I've been using for the last year and I really, really love it. So let me turn this around so I can show you what I'm looking at. So here it is under my desk. I have a riser on my desk, so it pulls up my computer and everything. But this is it right underneath it. So there is a very handy remote. The remote usually sits right here. Okay, so when I want to use it, I just take the remote and I can turn the whole thing on or off. Okay, and then I can make it go faster or slower. And I can start it right from here so I don't have to bend down and do anything. And when you see it from the side, you see how sleek it is. It actually has 4 different riser levels. It's got a 9-inch rise. So on the side here, see that? It's got different heights that you can do this. So it's really good if you want to be working on the incline, which I do. So therefore, you can have it flat or you can use it with the incline. So if I want to turn this on and make it work, I just press this button. Now it's got a little countdown, lets you know it's going to start. Okay, now it's starting. And the belt is moving. See how quiet it is? Now if I want to make it faster, I just press this little plus button. Now it's moving faster. 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 Now I'm running if I want to. So you could be jogging. Now I don't usually do that while I'm doing emails, but I could be. And then if I want to just stop it, or if I want to slow it down, if I press this, it returns slowly. Okay, it doesn't just stop. It slowly slows down like that to its minimum amount. There it is. And then if I want to turn the whole thing off, there, it's off. So it is so easy to use. I know you'll love it if you have desire to stay in shape while you're working. It's a 2.5 horsepower motor. It's smooth, stable, can run up to 8 hours without overheating, so it's perfect for long work days if you want to sneak in a movement without leaving your home office. It's a 2-in-1 treadmill, so I use it for slow walking or bump it up as I showed you. And there's a 9% incline, which I showed you the 4 incline levels. It's got a triple shock absorption system, so it's built with silicone pads and TPR cushioning that protect your knees and joints, so it's very comfortable and supportive, even during longer walks. So if you're tired of sitting all day and you just want to move while you groove, this treadmill is your perfect match. It's quiet, sturdy, designed for small spaces. So walk, work, repeat, and watch your energy, focus, and fitness soar.